could attest that I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chick made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chick made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chick made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chick made the right. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurt.
So you guys, I'm just checking into my hotel room. I need to drop my shirt with the laundry guy so they can wash it for me. I'll come back and get to you guys. Here's my box. So, hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shirley, Ogina Naomi. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new here, hi, I am Dara and I am a flight attendant living in Lagos, Nigeria. But currently I'm in Abuja. You're welcome to this channel and you're welcome to my hotel nighttime routine, if that is a thing. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. If it turns out well, that's when you're going to be seeing it. But if it doesn't turn out well or it's too short or it doesn't make any sense, I'm just going to be leaving it halfway. So I just checked into this hotel in Abuja. Let me do a short room tour. The hotel is okay. It's just it's different from the one I stayed the first time I came to Abuja. It has this artwork done with Ankara fabrics, and I'm all here for it. It has this cushion and this table. This is where I'm going to be having my dinner. I just ordered for it. There's a bedside drawer. Then this bed, my AC is not turned on. Where's the remote? I just noticed Nigeria is smoking hot right now. So, oh, there's a Bible here. That's cool. I like when hotels do this. I'm trying to turn on the AC. Come on, come on. Why is it not coming on? Oh, I think the switch is not on. No, that is not. This is the switch. I think it's not on. Okay. Oh, which one is 88 temperature? A big my mistake. Okay. It's on 16 now. It's about to get really cold. And I know myself, I will still increase the temperature because in as much as I'm feeling hot, I'm still not much of an AC person. So the ceiling, I was in Abuja last week and it was this same hotel, but not this particular room. The ceiling here is so tall, like, I don't know, maybe from this curtain, you guys can know how high this ceiling is. Actually, the ceiling is so high. Did I say the ceiling is so tall? Ceiling is so high, and I don't know, I kind of have a phobia for high ceiling. I don't know, like, there's this fear that comes into me when I enter a place and the ceiling is too high. It makes me feel like I'm sleeping in a hall or something, but the hotel is cool because I stayed here last time and the ceiling was not this high, so I'm not worried. It's practically the same room, just that the ceiling is high. Then this is the wardrobe. That's my box over there. I already took off my reflective jacket and I just dropped my shirt off with the laundry guy. This is the safe. This is the wardrobe. I'll just be hanging my skirts and my pantyhose over here once I take them off. I wore my white shirt, so it has gone for laundry. So let's go into the bathroom. Actually, there's something I need to start doing. Let me be done with the bathroom. I'll tell you guys what it is. So here's the bathroom. It comes with the towel. I don't use hotel towels. I use my personal towels most of the time. The WC. I don't need to show you guys the inside because that would be so gross. But not like it's dirty, but there's no need of showing you guys the inside with the WC. So there's like a mirror here. Yeah, a mirror, and there's the wash basin. So it comes with the shampoo and the body lotion. So those are the amenities here. Nothing much. Then, did I show you? You guys must have seen it. This thing is not focusing, please. I hope the whole of this video is not like this because I'm actually not about to repeat this. I don't get energy. I just want bath, sleep. I just want chop, bath, sleep. So, I need to cut this video and start again. This camera is losing focus. So, there's this complimentary coffee and green tea with lemon and lime. Then there's water. There's a water jug. Waiting for my food to come. There's a routine I need to inculcate because look at me, I just came into here. In fact, there's a device I need to get. But most times we don't really have this issue in Nigeria, Sha, because when I start traveling outside Nigeria or I stay in hotels outside Nigeria, I need to have this device they used to check for hidden cameras. I know that if I turn off this light, I will check for any red lights. That's another sign, but I may not see it. I'm supposed to check for any hidden camera before I settle in. I'm supposed to check everywhere, like check everywhere checkable in this room, and I did not do it, so I'm going to be doing it now. I'm turning off this light. One light is still remaining. Where is it? Where is the switch? Okay, I think it's this one that's just beside the bed. So let me look around for any red light. This red light you can see now is the one for the AC. I doubt if I can do much with my ordinary eyes. I'm supposed to have that device. This other one is the one for the TV. My bed doesn't have any space under, so there's no need of checking under the bed. Yeah, if there was space under, I would check under the bed too. The bathroom is so dark, like there's literally nothing here. And this is the most important place I need to check. I will get that device because it's very important. You never can really tell. Anyways, there's nothing here, so let's turn on our lights again. The bathroom light is on. This light here is on, and the room light too is on. There's a switch here that controls it. So why didn't it go off earlier? I think I just I modeled everything up. So I want to turn on the fridge because I need to refrigerate some water, and yeah, that's all. I'll just be drinking this water that came, like this complimentary water. I'm using it. Does this fridge smell good? Yeah, it does. So I'll just be drinking it. I really do not understand why I took out the selfie stick that was in my box when I first started flying, because it would have helped out this evening. I have no tripod. That selfie stick could have done a lot. I'm just sitting in my shoe rack at home because I don't use it at home because I have a standard tripod at home. I guess I'll just get it next time and put it back where it originally was, because it doesn't even take up much space in my box. So I'm taking out my towel. I mentioned earlier that I don't use the towel in the hotels. Let me zoom this out. Is this okay? Okay, but this is okay, right? Who am I asking if not myself? I don't know why this thing keeps on losing focus and it's annoying me. So, like I was saying, this is my towel. And do I need any other thing here for tonight? No, I don't need any other thing here. Except I'll need wipes, and I doubt. So, okay, I think I will need wipes. Oh, the thing I used to wash my face, I didn't restock. So I'll just use the wipes and clean my face before bathing, so I can take out all the makeup and have these wipes. I don't understand. See how long it is. I don't understand everything they produce. Why is it long like this? Anyways, I've taken out my wipes. I've taken out my nightwear. So these are my skincare supplies. I've been using them for quite a while because I don't get to sleep outside Lagos almost every time. So most times, like I've not even, the only thing I've topped up here should be my face wash. Yes, that's the only thing I've talked about. My face wash is inside here. So this is my soap, my bathing soap. I have not gotten. I even said that I'll throw this one away because I've used it for like a year and I don't know whether it's still okay. Then the sponge. So let me open this up. I need to take out this watch before having my bath. See, I'm using one hand now because I don't have a tripod here. So this is my face wash. Sorry, my storage got full. I have a lot of unedited content on my phone because my phone really has a lot of space. I have a lot of unedited content, so my space is full. So my face wash, it didn't come with with the face wash tag, so it's facial cleanser tag that it came with, and it's almost exhausted. I've topped it up like 2 times now. So this is the only thing that keeps on finishing. Every other thing is still remaining a whole lot. So I'm going to be having my bath now, but I won't be brushing my teeth because I've not eaten. When I'm done eating, I will now brush. But normally I should brush before having my bath. But because I have not had my dinner, I will just do only the bathing, and I also do it quickly before they come with the food and I'll be in the bathroom. So here's the wipe. I use it to wipe off my makeup. I actually have a dedicated charger for my crew box. This charger, I no longer take it home. I have one at home. It's just in my crew box because there's a way devil works. Just imagine I didn't have this charger in my crew box and I forgot to put my normal charger in my box in Lagos. In fact, today I even plan to night stop. Out of days that we don't plan to night stop, but something just comes up, I have to night stop. Imagine if there's no charger in my box and now my battery is low. I will just turn off the phone. What will wake me up in the morning? So it's always good to plan. So I just have 2 chargers, one for home, one for my crew box. So let's go bathe. So you guys, I am done bathing and I'm still waiting for my food. I'm still not seeing my food. Thank God I just decided to have my bath. Normally I would love to eat before having my bath, but yeah, I'm managing time, so I just said let me bathe and wait for. I didn't even order something serious. When it comes, people will see what I order. It's not like food because it's already late. So most of the time I don't like placing order for swallow, rice, all those heavy stuff. No, I just take something light and go to bed. Sometimes I order for only protein. Anyways, guys, I need to take out this my cornrows. No, they're not looking fresh at all. So yeah, I'm going into the room right now. I'll just go on the TV. Let me see whatever station they have on. If it's not making sense, I'll probably see a movie on YouTube. Yeah, I'll see a movie on YouTube and have my dinner. And let's just continue. I'm leaving all of this here. I'm leaving them here because I'll use them in the morning, so there's no need of packing them. I'll just leave them here. So let's go back into the room. God, I beg. And it's a general channel. There's no remote for changing channels here. Who's there? Okay. Ooh. Hi. Thank you. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to have to sit on the chair to have this. Yeah. This smoothies is making me excited. I originally ordered for fruit salad. They now said they didn't have fruit salad, that they had smoothie. I was so happy because I didn't even know they had smoothie. So I was like, perfect. Dinner is served. Come and join me. So I have unwrapped my shawarma and I'm going to start diving into it. So I asked them not to put sausages in my shawarma because I'm trying my best to stay away from sausages. For the longest time I've been avoiding anything that has sausage. So I'm almost done with the smoothie and I am done with the shawarma. Yeah, and the shawarma was so good, no sausage. I still enjoyed it. The smoothie is almost done and I just like it. I like that it's not too sweet and it's very, very refreshing. So yeah. Thank you, Jesus. Today is such a great day, man. I'm so happy. Okay guys, it's almost time to sleep. Turning off the bathroom lights and turning off the room lights. So it's just the TV that is still on. Not like I've been following this movie. But yeah, the TV is still on. I'll turn it off in the next 10 to 15 minutes when I'm finally dropping my phone. Oh yeah, the AC is still on 16. I turned off the swing mode and I turned off the fan for a little bit. If I let me turn it on a bit, I'll turn it off before I sleep because I can't afford to wake up, it's cold. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see me, but thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's not a long one. I don't know if it will be long, but from my estimate, it should be up to 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for spending my night time with me in my hotel room. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I hope to see you all on board soon. I've met a couple of you on board, so if you want to book local flights in Nigeria, please book with my airline. We just may see on board. Like, I may just be the crew on your flights. Yeah, so please book Ibom Air for your domestic flights and your flights from Lagos to Ghana. Yeah, we do Lagos to Ghana. Anyways guys, thank you also so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I am going to be seeing you guys in my next video. But now, bye, kiss kiss, mwah. Love ya. And if you guys did not see me, I don't know. Sweet dreams.
Black Fingers Punk.